Hello, students. This is our session 2 of chapter 4. What time is it? Children, today we are going to learn how to watch time. So, first, let's begin our session with some clock tick, clock tick. Yes, children, in your textbook, in activity number 3, one poem is given. This poem describes the poet's whole day's schedule, and you have to notice that with each stanza, different times are shown on the clock. Let's start. Clock tick, it's 6:30 in the morning. Have to brush my teeth, have to go through bath, have to get ready for the school. Clock tick, it's 7 in the morning. Have to go to the kitchen, have to eat my breakfast then, have the food full me every when. Clock tick, it's 4 in the afternoon. Have to do my homework, have to go to play in the garden, have me to relax after the whole day's hard work. Clock tick, it's 9 in the evening. Have to settle my bed like a serf, have the burden of the day off, have me win my good night's sleep. So, the poem ends here. Students, you can also try to write such poem and write your schedule. Now, let's understand the time concept. This is a picture of a clock. The circle on which you can see numbers from 1 to 12 and the lines is called the face of a clock. The numbers represents the hours of the clock. You will also notice the tiny lines that go all around the clock. There are 60 lines that go around the clock to be exact. These little lines represent the minutes. So, it is 5 minutes between two numbers. That means there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. What other things do you see on the clock? Yes, the two little hands. The longer hand that you see here, which is in blue color, is the minute hand. The shorter hand is called the hour hand. It is in orange color. The hands are spinning in one direction around the clock. This is called clockwise direction. When you split something into two equal parts, each part is called a half. Same way, children, when you split something in four equal parts, each part is called a quarter. So, when the minute hand moves from number 12 to 3, it is 1 quarter. From 3 to 6, second quarter. From 6 to 9, it is third quarter. And from 9 to 12, it is fourth quarter. It means each quarter is of 15 minutes. And that means 4 quarters equal to 1 complete hour. Let's understand in detail. I'm sure students you all know the table of 5. So first see the inner circle. When the arrows are pointing to different numbers from 1 to 12, the minutes shown are changing. At 12 o'clock, the minutes are 0. Then on number 1, minutes past are 5 because 5 ones are 5. Now, when the arrow points to number 2, 10 minutes are past because 5 twos are 10. Similarly, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 elevens are 55, and finally, when the minute hand comes on number 12, 60 minutes are over. So, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now children, to make it more easy, you have to remember 3 things: quarter past, half past, and quarter to. At quarter past, the minute hand always points to number 3. At quarter to, the minute hand always points to number 9. And at half past, the minute hand always points to number 6. Let's start the exercise given in your textbook. Here you have to draw arms, that means hands of the clock. Let's see the first one. Quarter to 2. Now, as I explained, quarter to always points to number 9. So, minute hand, that is long hand, will come on number 9 and the hour hand will point to 2. This means 1 quarter is left to become 2 o'clock. Children, you can see here in the yellow box that time is shown digitally. The numbers on the left side of the 2 dots show hours and the numbers on the right side of the 2 dots show minutes. Therefore, we can read the time here as 1 o'clock 45 minutes. Next, you have to show on the clock the time 4:15. That means 4 hours and 15 minutes. So, the hour hand, that is the small hand, will point to number 4. And to show 15 minutes, you have to read the table of 5. That means in the table of 5, you have to find out when do you get the answer 15. Let's start. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. That means we will draw minute hand on number 3. Next is 10 past 10. That means after 10 o'clock, 10 minutes are over. 10 minutes are past. So, our hand will go on number 10. And to find out where to put minute hand, again start table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Yes, we got 10. So, we will put minute hand on number 2. Next, 3:20. So, we know now our hand will go on number 3. And now, find out from table of 5 when will you get 20. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Yes, very good children. So, minute hand will come on number 4. Next, 5 past 10. It means 5 minutes are passed after 10 o'clock. So, our hand will point to number 10 and minute hand will point to number 1 because 5 ones are 5. Next is 5:25. Now our hand will point to number 5. And where will you draw minute hand? Let's find out when do we get 25 from the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and 5 5s are 25. So, minute hand will point to number 5. Now, for your practice, some more examples of time are given in your textbook. Try to do this on your own in your notebook. Here is one more homework for you. Activity number 4. Here, you have to find answers for the following questions and write it in your notebook. Let's read. Question 1. What are the 3 activities that you do in the morning? Question 2. What are the 3 activities that you do in the afternoon? Question 3. What are the 3 activities that you do in the evening? Question 4. When do you go to sleep? So children, you have to write each answer in complete sentence. So students, here we end our session 2. You can practice watching time at home by telling time to your family members after every few hours. You can also learn time through a small alarm clock. Don't forget to practice. Bye for now. Thank you.